Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class of accountancy. We are studying chapter 4, that is admission of a partner. And we have studied till now the calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Today we will study the next topic, that is when new partner brings goodwill or premium in cash. In this case, we have to do some journal entries which I am writing on the board. First entry you have to do is related to the amount brought by a new partner for capital as well as for goodwill. So journal entry will be like this. All of you know, when partner introduce capital or when a proprietor introduces capital into the business, we debit the bank account and credit the partner's capital account. There is nothing new point in it. But new thing is that he will also bring some goodwill, and that goodwill will be written in the name of premium for goodwill. So finally, entry will be bank account debit to new partner's capital to premium for goodwill. Narration being capital and goodwill brought by new partner, and second entry will be to distribute the premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio. So whenever new partner brings goodwill in cash, the goodwill will be distributed between the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. So entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners capital. This entry will be passed in sacrificing ratio. Narration will be being goodwill distributed in sacrificing ratio. This will be the journal entry for distributing the premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio. Next is when sometimes partners withdraw goodwill also. The goodwill they get, they like to withdraw. If in question it is mentioned that partners are withdrawing the goodwill, then we have to do journal entry like this. Partners capital account debit to bank. Remember that this entry will be passed only if question says that the goodwill is being withdrawn by the partner. In question it will be written that the partners withdrawn or withdraw their goodwill from firm. So narration will be being goodwill withdrawn. So these are the entries when new partner brings goodwill in cash. Now we will do question number 21. Question number 21. L, M and N are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. They admit O into partnership. O brings in cash rupees 4,50,000 as capital and rupees 1,50,000 as goodwill for 1/5 share of profit. It means O का रेशियो कितना है 1/5 और ओल्ड रेशियो है 3:1. So this is case 1, and in case 1 I told you that the sacrifice ratio is always equal to the old ratio. So in this case the sacrifice ratio will be 3:1. And the goodwill brought in by O will be distributed in this ratio. Now pass journal entries and find out the new profit sharing ratios when goodwill is retained in the firm. Second, goodwill is withdrawn by old partner. So in point number A, there is no need to pass the third entry which is related to withdrawal. First two entries will be same, that is bank account debit to O's capital to premium for goodwill. O's capital is rupees 4,50,000 and premium for goodwill he brought rupees 1,50,000 as mentioned in the question. Total is 6 lakh. Narration will be same as I have given you in notes. Second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit. You have to write full form. I told you that L, M and N, thrice of them will sacrifice in their old ratio because it is case 1. Or you can also check in this question, you have to calculate new ratio also. So you can check by subtracting new ratio from old ratio. Sacrifice will be equal to 3:1. To M's capital to N's capital. So we will distribute rupees 1,50,000 in the sacrificing ratio. How it will be calculated? 1,50,000 multiply 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. Remember that we have to sacrifice, we have to distribute this amount only in the ratio of sacrifice. Okay, so it will be 75,000, 50,000 and 25,000. So this is the point number A. Point number B says that goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. So in this point B, first two entries will be same because only they are withdrawing. These entries will not change. These entries will be same in B point because the new partner is bringing capital and goodwill. Goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. An additional entry will be passed in point number B because in point number B says that goodwill is withdrawn. So whenever partners are withdrawing the goodwill, I told you the entry will be partners capital account debit to bank account. So we will do the entry. Amount is 75,000, 50,000, 25,000 and total will be 1,50,000. This is the additional entry which you have to do in point number B, because point number B says that partners are withdrawing their goodwill. Goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. Old partners here means sacrificing partners. Now you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of this question. New profit sharing ratio will be calculated by subtracting the sacrifice done by L, M and N. So it is case 1 and you can do it by 1 rupee method. By subtracting 1 by 5 from 1, we will get the balance, and balance will be distributed between L, M and N in their old ratio. So you have to do calculation of new ratio. Question number 22 is also same, which is your homework. In this question, the new partner is acquiring equally from P and Q. You can read the question. So when the new partner R is acquiring his ratio from P and Q equally, it means that the sacrificing ratio is 1:1 between P and Q. So in question number 22, you have to do the journal entries and also you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now we are doing question number 23. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3. Z joins partnership for 2/7 share in the profit, of which he acquires 3/4 from X and 1/4 from Y. So what will be the sacrificing ratio? Can you tell me? Yes, when he is acquiring from X and Y in the ratio of 3:1, it means that sacrifice is also 3:1. So sacrificing ratio is equal to 3:1 because he is acquiring 3/4 from X and 1/4 from Y. But how will you calculate the new ratio? For calculating the new ratio, you have to multiply 2/7 with 3/4 and 1/4. In this way, you will get the sacrifice actually made by X and Y. Then you will subtract the sacrifice from old ratio and new ratio will be calculated. So you have to calculate new ratio yourself. I am doing the journal entries on the board. Z is bringing 3 lakh for capital and 1,20,000 for goodwill. So what will be the journal entry? The journal entry for question number 23 will be bank account debit to Z's capital rupees 3 lakh and premium for goodwill rupees 1,20,000. Total amount is 4,20,000. Now this premium for goodwill of rupees 1,20,000 will be distributed between X and Y in their sacrifice ratio, which is 3:1. So entry will be 1,20,000 debited to premium for goodwill account, and we will distribute it between X and Y in their sacrificing ratio to X capital to Y's capital. So 1,20,000 multiply 3/4 and 1,20,000 multiply 1/4. It will be 90,000 and 30,000. So you got it? Now the question says that half of the amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner. So they are withdrawing goodwill also, but only half goodwill they are withdrawing. So how we will do the next entry? We will calculate the half of the amounts got by X and Y. So X will withdraw half of 90,000, that is 45,000, and Y will withdraw 15,000. So entry will be X capital account debit 45,000 and Y's capital account debit 15,000, total 60,000. 1000. I am writing here the calculation. 90,000 multiply 1 upon 2, 30,000 multiply 1 upon 2, because they are withdrawing half goodwill. So half goodwill they have withdrawn. So entry will be X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit to bank account. Need not to say that, you have to prepare format, and also you have to write down all the journal and narration also. So new profit sharing ratio you will calculate yourself. Read question number 24. Old ratio is 3:2. Z is admitted for 1/3 share. Z acquired his share from K and Y in 2:3 ratio. So what will be the sacrifice? Sacrifice will be 2:3. Z brought 80,000 for capital and 30,000 for 1/3 share as premium. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and pass the journal entry. So you have to do question number 22 and question number 24 as your homework, and question number 26 also. 22, 24 and 26 is your homework for today, which you have to do and send the PDF in the group. You may ask me if you are having any problem in any of the questions on the query group. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.